Arbitrum recently pumped 12% this week and 7% in one single day. So today, almost all market is green, but don't be trapped with this local A3 because usually what I found at Monday, if on weekend we pump it and Monday is green, usually the Tuesday and Wednesday can be red one, like a local correction. Globally, I'm still waiting the spring. Could be green for wide sector of altcoins, not for all of them because some altcoins already pump it. And congrats everyone who opened some futures position, but don't be trapped with the high leverages with the late longs. All right, it's good. And liquidation heat map, guys, take a look. Weekly time frame, a huge cluster of liquidity is around 9 cents 66. Now it's 10 cents 88. I don't know. Will we drop to this area or not? It's hard to say now. Everything mostly depends of the geopolitics in the world now, how the market's gonna react. But what I don't like a lot of liquidity still under. But of course, it's not unnecessary, so we should come back and sweep it because in this case we can go till infinity to zero because we drop some level, build the liquidity, and pump higher, and some liquidity anyway going to be limited under. The same story is about. So I wish to see, of course, the healthy bounce. Oh, we can't track with a free account on a 6 months time frame. I wish to see the bounce higher, at least to test. This is a here. This is 100 EMA. So this is a 100 EMA on the weekly and the break of structure on a daily. So this one, it's 20 cents 28, and the test of 100 EMA and test the 100 break of structure. So this is what I'm looking for, right? And of course, it's too early to talk about that targets because locally, yes, we can see the pullback even to 960. So anyway, this week looks healthy. So we build a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks in a row, almost the months, over the months. We build a liquidity with the sweep of the listing price. What we form here in March 23. So imagine after the 3 years, we come back, sweep the listing price, and now no makes sense. Personally, for me, no makes sense to drop price lower. So the market makers, anyway, the main goal has the make money and USD, so they dump the price to the listing price. Now they can accumulate it again, and I think they did it at the same level, like 10 cents or even lower. While the majority screen we're going to 5 cents, to 2 cents, and 3 cents, and gonna be delisted. All right, and here's a 50 EMA. Can be also tested. This is what I'm looking for example, today and tomorrow. That's why I'm not rush. For me, it will be good to see something like this one. Pull back, I don't know, maybe even to 10 cents again. After that, test 200 EMA and start building uptrend structure. Now to the break of structure in this area. So this is what I'm looking for, right? And if we take a look on the weekly, the 50 EMA now is 31 and the 200 EMA is 53. So anyway, the previous zone of like support is going to be the resistance now, and I'm more than sure this year I think we're going to see the at least 71 cents for Arbitrum. It's hard to say will we go higher this year or the next one, but at least 71 0.5 level FIP. I think about the 200 EMA on a weekly we will see. So just my take about it. Let's double check ADZ direction. It's accumulation. It's not a distribution, guys. Time to sell Arbitrum was here, for example, or maybe some here and here. All this time period is accumulation. That's why, guys, it's not a mistake if you already bought, right? To wait and withdraw initial deposits at 100% when you get a chance. This is definitely not a time to sell based on direction indicator, and still no signal to sell like it was here in June 25. Still no signal to sell based on direction on a daily also. So we can close this one and this one. By the way, by now, by next 4 days, I still got like 30% discount off for all indicators set. This one, so it's really helpful instrument for your trades. Daily time frame, it's still disbelief. Nobody care about Arbitrum, so it's usually a good time to buy. Market smooth, it's total disbelief. Also, nobody care about it. And monthly, it's still like A3. That's why, for me personally, it would be good to see the pullback. First of all, bounce to the 12 cents. After that, a pullback to the 10, maybe 10.50. And after that, maybe even I gonna buy some Arbitrum for a local spot position. Here, we also can count just an average. Here, this was an impulse. The correction can be to 12.06. This is what I would like to see. And even 14 and 15.60. So usually when we get like impulse, we get for a correction 15.60. And maybe even the in April, we're going to sweep the 21 cents. We will see. Money power, guys. What I don't like, we pump it without a new fresh money inflow. The last money inflow was here January, February, at the beginning of February. Whole March, we pump without a money inflow. Weekly time frame, 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row, money in. But maybe the whales accumulated before in this range, like 11.62 and 9.47. So they accumulated enough. And based on, of course, risk management, guys, I think it's more than okay to buy Arbitrum at the listing price at 11 cents, for example. So at 22, you could withdraw initial deposit. So definitely it's not a mistake. The last two indicators straight on, guys. It was the last signal to buy, no signal to sell. It's good. Weekly time frame, finally we saw the signal take profit and the buy. So congrats everyone who track it together with my custom indicator set, because it could be like 22% already 22%. And the last indicator, guys, is take profit. So here, a fundamental value of Arbitrum is around 21.99, and the fundamental take profit line 58.75. So this one, 58.75. It's take profit line. So guys, I hope you like this video. Wrap this in a comment what you think about Arbitrum. If you'd like to trade as my customer, because I will show it in this video, use right Maria. Don't forget, Joe Mategam channel. See you next time, guys.